This creamy Alfredo sauce takes only 10 minutes, but one tiny mistake can turn it into greasy glue. Watch closely. 2 tablespoons butter, 4 cloves garlic minced, 2 cups heavy cream, 1 cup freshly grated Parmesan cheese, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 2 tablespoons chopped parsley. Place a pan on low heat and melt 2 tablespoons butter slowly. Don't brown it. Add 4 cloves minced garlic and cook for 30 seconds only. If the garlic turns dark, the whole sauce tastes bitter. Pour in 2 cups heavy cream and stir continuously for 2 minutes on low heat until slightly steaming. Add 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg. Stir gently. Now add 1 cup freshly grated Parmesan cheese, little by little while stirring constantly. This is the secret to a silky restaurant-style Alfredo sauce. Keep stirring for 2 to 3 minutes until the sauce becomes thick, glossy, and smooth. Add 2 tablespoons chopped parsley for fresh flavor and color. Before you go, tell me honestly, would you pour this over pasta, pizza, or grilled chicken? I want to see which answer wins in the comments.